Are you wondering how to add free shipping to a product on Shopify? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what you need to do. So first and foremost, you need to head to your admin interface. And it goes without saying that you're going to need to have a product set up that you want to have free shipping for. So for the purpose of this demo, I've just created a test product. I'm going to open that up here now. And you also need to ensure that it is a physical product by ensuring that the shipping, this is selected with a checkbox here. Of course, if you've got a digital product, then it will be free shipping by default. So yeah, just make sure that you've got your product set up first and foremost. Now, one of the reasons why you may actually be on this video is you may have noticed that there's nowhere to add the shipping cost on the product page itself. So that's what I'm now going to share with you what you need to do. So you need to click the settings button, and on this page here you need to click shipping and delivery. Now bear in mind, this is where you would go if you would like to roll out free shipping on all products on your store. And if you wanted to do that, you would click the manage button, and you would go through the different regions and you would just update the price. So for instance, if I was shipping to the EU, at the moment it's set up at $14.99. You can see, and probably can tell, but from my accent, that I'm from the UK, so that's why it's pounds. But the same concept applies no matter where you are in the world. So what you would do is on that region, so let's say I wanted to offer free shipping to the EU on all products, I'd go in there and I'd just put that as 0, and you'll see that free button come up here. And then you can do it on order price as well. You can kind of change that and hit done. So that's how you would do it for all products. But if you've landed on this video, you only want to do it on one product or a particular batch of products. Well, to do that, you need to go back to your shipping settings. And if you click this link here, it will take you back. Go leave because I don't want to save that. So this is essentially the page where you click. If you click this link, this is the page you'll go to. And this is what you need to do. So you need to add custom rates or destination restrictions for groups of products. So you need to create a new profile. So what you click this link here, and then let's give it a name. So let's say free UK shipping. So in this example, I'm only going to offer free shipping to customers in the UK. So give it a name and specify roughly what you're offering, just for your kind of reference. This is what you need to do now. You need to add the product. So I've got this test product, that's the one I showed earlier. But if any products that you want to have free shipping, you need to select them here. Have it selected and press done. You can see it's been selected. Now you can see where it's shipping from, and here you need to set up your different shipping zones. So click the create shipping zone button. Now in this example, I'm just going to call this UK. In this example, I'm shipping free to the UK. So I'd search for the UK, select it, press done, and it says no rates. Customers in this zone won't be able to complete checkout. And that's because we need to add the rate. And it is here where we specify that we want it to be free. Once that's done, hit the done button and you'll see it is free. So this product now will ship to the UK for free. If any customer in the UK tries to buy it and have it shipped there, they will get it for free. Now what you can do is you'll see here that 236 countries and regions are not covered. So you'd need to create another shipping zone. So for the rest of the world, we could set up a rate, it's going to cost a flat fee of $9.99. We don't want it free. It's going to cost us a lot of money to ship there. Alternatively, so done. So any customer from the rest of the world who tries to buy it will have to pay a flat fee of $9.99 in order to get their product. But let's say if we wanted worldwide shipping, then you would obviously just update this to 0, and you would do that for all of the regions until you've covered every single region. So if I hit save, that's set up for this particular product. So click manage, you go back in and you can see that it's free for the rest of the world and it's free for the UK. So that's how to set up free shipping on a particular product or category or collection of products in Shopify. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this. And if you have any questions on this, relating to the process, then please do drop a comment down below. And do consider subscribing too. I've got a lot of different videos on my channel on Shopify and building an online business in general, particularly how to use different platforms and how to maximize them for your business. So with that all said, I hope you have an excellent day.